Hi, welcome. My name is Rahman Pinaspulo, and with Share Havens, I will do my assignment on deaf and hard hearing people. So let's get started. This presentation is about the deaf and hard of hearing. Come and browse with us to be more informed. Three forms of deaf and hard of hearing. So they are people that are born deaf, people that inherits it from their parents, and the other one is due to medical um, illness or other problems during the growth. Difference between deaf and hard of hearing. Deaf usually refers to a hearing loss, so serve that there is very little or no function hearing. Hard of hearing refers to a hearing loss where there may be enough residual hearing that an auditory device, such as a hearing aid or FM system, provides adequate assistance to process speech. The difference between being born deaf and being due to inheritance or that so far no medical cause has been found in children who are born deaf. Difference between being born and being hard of hearing is being born deaf, and being hard of hearing is the deaf cannot speak, but the hard of hearing can learn to talk. Yes. What qualifies as hard of hearing? Hard of hearing refers to an individual who has a mild to moderate hearing loss who may continue communicate through sign language, spoken language, or both. Hearing impaired used to describe an individual with an degree of hearing loss. Is a term offensive to many deaf and hard of hearing individuals. Hearing impairment. The easiest definition of hearing impairment states that you are hearing impaired when you hear less well than a normal function. In a hearing test, comparison are made with the score of a group of young people with hearing problems. So, Share Havens will do the other slides. Thank you.